Okay, so it's September 2nd. I got this car back July 22nd. This is the running board that was, or the rocker panel, I should say, that was pushed in. Originally, when he took it back in 2020, we agreed that he would fix this. And of course, when he brought it back to LA at the end of 2021, after 17 months, it wasn't fixed. And when I asked him about it, he said that, oh, we can just put the side skirt, which would cover it. And I was like, I don't want to just cover it. I want to fix it. And so when he took my car the second time, June 3rd, 2023 to July 22nd, 2023, I told him that, please fix it. If you fix it, I'm not asking for free. I'll pay for it. So don't think it's free. And I had that in text. But yet, he did attempt to fix it. He did show on his webpage that he did window it. But as you can see, like with the rest of the car, he just did an incomplete job, a half-assed job. Because again, when you have all the time, but you just try to rush the last couple of days, of course it's gonna be like rushed. And so like I have to sand down all this part and then sand down this and that, because again, he didn't he didn't do it properly. So I have to take care of it. So that is the rocker panel on Project Leopard.